What up, guys? It's your boy JT back in the video. As you can see, we were shooting part of Rainy Days, but have my boy Angel recording behind the scenes. So the first scene, music video. Now we're about to go to the next spot. But anyways, guys, we just got back at home. I just finished editing the vlog from yesterday, which you guys will be seeing. You guys probably already seen it by now, but you guys won't see this till tomorrow. But anyways, hope you guys are good. I got my dad outside cooking up some chicken. Look at that, cooking it up. Dang, you can't see shit. Oh, right there. You got the chicken right there. I'm over here cooking. But anyways, guys, it's like we got the neighbors outside just feeling the weather. It's 12:55 so far. It was raining earlier, but it stopped right now. So far it's just windy. Feels like we're in the eye of the tornado. But just checked on the weather news station that we will be getting hit with a lot of wind and rain for sure. I know a lot of streets are gonna be flooded. But so far we're gonna be chilling, eating some chicken, hanging out, vlogging. Hope you guys are staying safe. You guys do what you gotta do to be safe with your family. And yeah, man, just be safe out there. Don't play with these hurricanes. Anyways, guys, I think we're gonna put on a movie, and this girl is just messing around. Guys, look at her. Do you guys like Marilyn's new hair? I kind of like this style of hair. You look like Harley Quinn looking at. But anyways, guys, we're gonna watch some. Oh, that pulled out with the chicken! Give me the chicken! What up, guys? Just finished up eating some good chicken and rice. Right now, I'm about to watch Halloween. And as you guys can see, wind is going crazy. Maybe you guys want to watch some Halloween. And yeah, I'm gonna enjoy it. Oh, I think someone's calling. Anyways, guys, we're gonna finish watching, and yeah, pretty much. Alright, guys, it's currently 6:04. Looks like we're getting some heavy rain right now. The wind is blowing. The trees is going. Look at that, fam. Bam. Well, it's not that crazy now, but it was just crazy now. Bam, it's going crazy out there. Anyways, guys, we got Angel here. You got Angel here trying to hide from me. It's too late. Where's mommy? Marilyn's over here. Say hello, Marilyn. Wait. Say hello, Marilyn. Hello. Excuse me. We're watching another movie. I just finished up some reels. If you guys haven't already, please follow us on our page on JT Videos. Definitely do that, bruh. What up, guys? Rolling, dog. Me and Angel back in. Yeah! Nah, there's nobody on the street. Rolling. What's up, guys? Came out here to look out the side. Supposedly it's heading us right now. I'm about to fly. We got chairs flying around. We got trees going everywhere. We got fences falling everywhere. God damn. It's 7:13, by the way, y'all. Look at that. Whoa. Oh my God, look at this. Oh my god, look at this. Everything is just flying everywhere. Wow! Chat. We going crazy out here. Say good luck to me, guys. I will die. Did my Wi-Fi just turn? I think my Wi-Fi just turned off, y'all. Did my Wi-Fi just turn on?
Yeah, because the light in the right there where the kitchen is, it like flickered or whatever.
Dude, it just turned off.
Yeah.
That's crazy, dog. I just lost Wi-Fi right now. But
Guys,
yo,
look at the fence. That whole fence went down.
guys, this whole fence went down over here. Look at that. Oh hell no! Look at all that fence.
Look, the ducks are just chilling.
Ducks are out there chilling like crazy. This shit like we're dog. Look at that, y'all. Alright guys, we're back at it again. Back at it again. We got later. 7:30. 7:30, mother fudge. Look at that. Whoa. Damn, dog. Let's probably go over there. Dog, I'm getting wet out here. We got trees flying for real, dog. Look at that. Trees are flying. You can hear it, bruh. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, it's flying. Shit is flying. Shoot. What up, guys? It's currently 9:47 and I'm out here just to show y'all there's a bunch of branches everywhere, y'all. Bunch of branches everywhere. Look at this. This ain't even hit us really good. We didn't really get hit. They're starting to calm down bad. Calm down. Everything else is all good though. Well, I mean, there is still some. Neighbor house is over there. Look at the wind. Now I can't really see anything, but yeah, that's pretty much it. 9:48. I mean, I don't know if it's gonna hit anything harder than that. But yeah, guys, look at that. Whoa. Look at all these branches everywhere, dog. Ah, hell no. Ah, hell no. We got chairs flying everywhere, dog. Anyway, guys, family's just watching Jungle Book. The Jungle Book. And yeah, we're just chilling at home. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Anyways, over here chilling with Marilyn over here. Chilling with Marilyn. She's over here drawing. Right, Marilyn?
Yeah.
Head ass while we're watching Jungle Book. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. The Jungle Book. It's a great movie. If you guys haven't watched it, it's a great movie. I watched the cartoon animated one when I was a kid, and then when I found out they came out with this one, the modern looking one with real actors, real human actors. It's a good movie. My dad's watching it. Anyways, we have Marilyn here. Wait, I can't even zoom out. There you are. Hey, you guys. Hey, yo. Girl, just go for me. Ah. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. She just showered, right, Marilyn?
Yeah.
She just showered. Good week, guys. Let me check on this weather. Ah. Blah, 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 blah.